My name is David Pascual. I'm the Global Commercial and Marketing Lead for the Lubrizol 3D Printing Solutions Business Unit, part of the Lubrizol Corporation. Just to go back a little bit, we launched the first TPU with the HP MGF technology back in 2019 on the 4200, and now at this Formnext event we are launching the softer material Short A88 on the 52 HP multi-jet fusion platform. So it's really about trying to go beyond what we see in the marketplace, like is a high demand on soft and flexible materials. We started with the first material and we saw that we could really improve the comfort, the high rebound, the flexibility, the unpacking process. So all these properties led us to develop a softer TPU on the 5200. As you may know, a printed part coming out from the printer is not to be sold. With DyeMansion, we are able to get very good colorability of our parts, increase the quality and the cosmetic look of the parts. That's absolutely fundamental to be either unique or differentiated in the market space, and we have a very strong collaboration with DyeMansion that help us out to unlock the market and really offer sustainable solutions to the market together with personalization and hopefully new business models that are coming up. But we believe, for example, the healthcare, the orthotic and prosthetic parts is really, really important, really to increase the comfort, increase the cushioning of the parts so there's a better outcome from the patient. So all in all, it's not about just having natural color, but really bringing these cosmetic colors that will bring value, and they will be more easy to expand these opportunities, these applications to the wider market, so we can really benefit from unlocking the additive manufacturing industry.